Today, we will learn expressions and emotions with our friend BooBoo. So, let's get started. First, I am drawing a sad expression. For sad expression, I am making the eyes droopy and downward mouth. BooBoo is sad because his ice cream fell on the floor. Now, I am drawing a happy expression. For happy expression, I am making the eyes closed and curved and a wide smiling mouth. Our BooBoo is happy because he saw a rainbow in the sky. Next, I will draw an angry expression. For an angry expression, I am drawing sharp slanted eyebrows pointing down and a frowning mouth.
BooBoo is angry because his crayon broke.
After angry expression, I am drawing surprised expression. For a surprised expression, I am drawing wide open round eyes and a big open O-shaped mouth. BooBoo is surprised because his friends gave him a surprise birthday party. After surprise expression now, I am drawing an annoyed expression. For an annoyed expression, I am making slanted eyebrows with a squiggly frown and small eyes. BooBoo is annoyed because he wanted to sleep, but it was too noisy. At last, I will draw a shy expression. For drawing a shy expression, I will draw closed, curved eyes, a small smile, and pink blush circles on the cheeks. Boo is feeling shy because he was asked to sing in front of others. Now we will highlight our drawing. Now we will fill rainbow colors. Blue, pink, orange, done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.